Hello, Kem Cho. I'm Jai Kumari from Heritage City of India, Ahmedabad. I welcome all of you to this series which is known as Harmony with Nature to Harmony Within. Today we are going to discuss alphabet C. C for change. C for challenge. C for context. So we'll see three different meanings of C today. Let's start with the first meaning, which is C for change. The only thing which is permanent in this world is change. If we study nature, every moment, every second, every microsecond, every nanosecond, every picosecond, every moment it is changing. If you observe a leaf on the plant, so from bud how the leaf will grow and it will turn from green then to yellow, then it will just fall down and then it will become brown. So this is a journey of a leaf. If we consider our body, every cell is changing. So what is the message nature is going to giving us? That is, change is inevitable. Every moment we all are changing, as well as nature is changing. We are part of this nature, so we are changing. If we consider our age, so every moment we are growing, our age is increasing. And you know that it is a continuous process. It is not like that today we are of this age and tomorrow it is different. It is every moment, every picosecond, whatever is the unit you can consider for time. So it is a continuous process. Our age is increasing and our life on this earth, it is continuously decreasing. Whatever moments we are left with on this earth, it is continuously decreasing. So what is the message nature is giving to us? So nature is telling us that change is inevitable and change is constant. So please embrace it. So that is first thing, that is change. Now the second thing, that is challenge. So whenever there is conflict, we will consider that as a challenge. If there is a conflict within us, if we would like to or we would love to do something and we are supposed to do something else, then there is a conflict. So that is a challenge within for us. So how we can address that challenge? By dealing that challenge going within, healing your inner part and accepting that challenge. If there is no conflict, then there is no challenge. And in this scenario, in the world currently, we are every day in and day out, we are facing so many challenges in our personal life, in our professional life, in our family, with our friends. So many challenges we are facing. So let's all learn to accept it and how to deal with it. Third C is context. Context means why. Why we are doing what we are doing. If I am recording this video, then why am I recording this video? Can I ask you a very basic question? Why do you get up? in the morning. So you may give me different answers as per your profession, as per your gender, as per the geographical location where you are. You may say that, see, everybody is going to work, everybody is getting in early in the morning, everybody is getting up in the morning, so I have to get up in the morning. If you are a kid or a student, then you would say that I need to go to school or to college, that's why I'm getting up. If you are a homemaker, you would say that I need to take care of my family, I need to prepare breakfast for them, so that's why I'm getting up. A professional may say that I need to go and earn money, so for that I need to get up. So for each one of you, the answer is different. Do you know, it's an irony that most of us, we get up in the morning because we didn't die in night. So our purpose is not clear, or why is not clear. Why we are getting up in the morning. So we should ask this question, and I request you that you also please ask this question every day to yourself. And if you get the answer, you know it is a magic. When you get that answer of why you are doing what you are doing, your energy level will be at extremely different level. And you will give your natural best. You will give your excellent output, your performance, if that context is clear. Why you are doing what you are doing. So today's letter C for change, C for challenge, and C for context. I hope this would help, and gratitude to all of you for giving me this 8 minutes of your life. And I strongly believe that when you are giving time to somebody, when you are giving time and focus to somebody, you are giving part of your life to that person. So I am really grateful to all of you. So take care. God bless. Bye bye.